Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Builds. It's a really exciting day. We have all the stuff related to our Scorpio conversion right there. So I got this from Mayapuri, Delhi, and it cost me around 55,000, and then I gave 3,500 to deliver it here. But anyways, now everything is here and we can start working on our conversion for Scorpio 2006 to 2024 Classic. Okay, let me show you what all we have. Starting from this side, we have these backlights. These backlights are not brand new, but they are like new. They are taken out from a accidental Scorpio, but so the thing is they are Mahindra genuine, so that's a good thing. Then these are the DRLs for Classic. If you are converting into S11, you don't need this, but for Classic you need these are not Mahindra genuine, but I hope they'll work. So these are around 3,000 or something like that. Then we have these fog lights also for Classic. This bidding is for the diggy interior and the back door interior, and then we have some wiring over here for the again back door. This is the inside lock trim. Okay, now here, this is the wiper motor for the back side, and this is the inside lock that I was talking about. We have the trim right there. And then starting from the panels, this is the front left side fender. The good thing about this is that we have this badging along with it and this indicator as well. Otherwise we have to buy it separately. It might cost you around 1,000 to 1,500. So we got it along, so that's a good thing. And then this cladding is black color, because you know from accidental Scorpios it's not easy to find everything with the same color. But anyways, I'm still deciding on which color we'll go, so we'll paint it accordingly. Then here is the back door and the back door handle. In this we have installed a brand new this, what do you call it, windshield. Yeah, this brand new windshield with defoggers as well, right? So it has a lot of scratches, but it's not majorly dented from anywhere, so we will work with this. And then this is the inside, we call it gatte, or I don't know, door trims. Yeah, door trims. So this is the door trim for the back door, and we got two speakers along with it, and this door handle. These small things, you know, if you don't get this with the back door, or let's say with the whatever panels you are working with, if you don't get them, these might cost you a lot, because this handle itself will cost you around 500. This might cost you 1,500. So it's a good thing that we got everything along. Oh yeah, one more very important thing is this is the door stopper for the back door. So the back bumpers are made in such a way that if you open the back door completely, it will break the back bumpers. That's why we need this catcher. It is really important. Again, got this with the back door. Now this is a brand new front bumper, then used headlights from an accidental Scorpio, I guess. Then this is almost brand new right side fender. Yeah, right side fender. Again, it comes with the badging and the indicator, and the good thing is it even has a bulb. And the cladding is already installed, so it is a perfect fit, so we don't have to worry about that. So like in that one we have to install it ourselves, but in this one it is already there, so that's a good thing. Then we have this front grille and the monogram, front grille monogram. This is the towing cover, and these are bumper brackets. Then these are fog light brackets. So all these came in a set, and it cost me 5,000 extra. So let's say you convert to S11, it will cost you 5,000 less than what I paid. So 55,000, it will cost you 50,000, right? So everything is there. And then this is the backlight which goes inside the windshield in the back door now. And another, this is the chrome for the back door, and it also has a camera which is working absolutely fine. So if you have a system inside your car, you can just connect it and, you know, have fun with it. It also has the lights, the number plate lights. Okay, separately these things cost a fortune, but we got them along with the back door, so that's a good thing. This is the most important one in the conversion, most important and most tricky to install. If you can do this, you can do everything else. This is the tie member where everything goes, the lights, the bumper, the grill, everything, you know, fixes on this. So this one is original Mahindra, you know, cut from a old Scorpio. You can get a cheaper one which is imported, but that's not, you know, the fitting might not be that good, or I don't know about that, but this is the original one. Then the back door claddings, door claddings, then the bumper. The good thing about bumper again is that we got this scoop along with the bumper, so you don't have to buy it separately, which will cost you 1000 around 1000. And then the spray also. And another good thing is that inside you got this complete blanket also, which you don't get in most cases. So this blanket will remove some noise from your engine. So that's the bumper and sorry, the bonnet. And finally we have these this set of back bumpers which go together like this. Let me show you, like this. So this creates the footstep and this is the bumper, but it also came with the reflectors and these sensors. If you have a working system, you can just install them. So here is everything. This is the back bumper set, or everything from I guess this is everything for the conversion. And till now we were just restoring our Scorpio, but now we can start the conversion. So this is everything that you need. As I told you, the cost is around 55,000 for me, but it depends on your bargaining skills, like how much you can bargain and get it for. Maybe if I was a good bargainer, I would get it for 45,000. Yeah, it's up to you how you bargain and you get it. Then I use the Porter app to get it here. It cost me around 3,000, as I already told you. Yeah, that's it. So everything is here except the backlight top part, which I was looking for but I couldn't find, so I have to buy new ones. They will cost me around 1,500. That's why I said total is almost 60,000. So yeah, once I get that, I have everything. But now whatever I have is enough to start. This is everything. It has taken up all the space in my front yard, and I'll be sharing another video which I'll share the detailed price of everything. That will be from Mayapuri. I'll show you the shop and everything, so you make sure you watch that as well. So we can start with our conversion. So yeah, I'm doing this challenge where I'm thinking that I'll convert it into a new classic Scorpio within 20 days. Actually the real plan was 30 days and inside out, but it didn't work because, you know, it took a lot of time for shopping and all. So now I have 20 days and a budget of 70,000, let's say. Earlier it was 2 lakhs but now we reduced it to 70,000. So that's the plan, and I'm converting the Scorpio. So follow me along. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and keep watching me builds. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, it's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.